After the age 50, our bodies undergo some remarkable changes. One of the key players in this age-defying game is collagen. So, what's the deal with collagen, and why is it such a big deal? Collagen is like the scaffolding of our bodies. It's a protein that keeps our skin firm, our joints supple, and our hair and nails looking fabulous. But here's the catch. As we age, collagen production takes a nosedive. By the time we hit 50, we're producing less collagen than ever before. Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to Healthy Utopia. In today's episode, we'll discuss 3 simple yet significant hacks to boost collagen naturally beyond bone broth. So let's get started. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. To boost collagen naturally, incorporate foods rich in vitamin C into your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi, as well as vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli, are excellent sources of vitamin C. You can also consider taking vitamin C supplements if you find it challenging to get enough through your diet. Additionally, topical vitamin C serums or creams can be applied directly to your skin to stimulate collagen production and reduce signs of aging. Red light therapy. Red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy or photobiomodulation, is a non-invasive technique that uses red or near-infrared light to penetrate the skin surface and stimulate collagen production. You can experience red light therapy through specialized devices or by visiting a spa or clinic that offers this treatment. Some people opt for at-home red light therapy devices, which are convenient and can be used regularly. Keep in mind that consistent and controlled exposure to red light is key for best results. Red light therapy has been shown to improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and promote a more youthful appearance. It's a safe and effective way to naturally boost collagen production without invasive procedures. 3. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries for its soothing and healing properties. It contains essential nutrients and enzymes that can help boost collagen production and improve skin health. When applied topically, aloe vera gel can hydrate and nourish your skin, making it look more youthful and radiant. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe vera gel is gentle on the skin and is suitable for all skin types. To use aloe vera gel, simply extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. You can do this a few times a week as part of your skincare routine. You can also apply this with your most favorite face cream or body lotion. In addition to its topical use, you can also incorporate aloe vera into your diet by adding it to smoothies or consuming aloe vera juice. This can provide internal benefits that may support collagen production from within. So there you have it, folks. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these collagen-boosting hacks, or do you have other tips to share with our amazing community? Drop a comment down below, and let's get the conversation started. And if you found these hacks helpful, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Your likes and comments help us continue to create content that helps you live your best life at any age. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible health-related tips. Remember to be consistent in your efforts and consult with